Hey dear coder, welcome back to API Coder. In this video, we are excited to showcase our latest project, a background removal web application built using Django and integrated with Remove.bg API. This powerful tool allows users to effortlessly remove backgrounds from images, making them perfect for various purposes such as a product photography, graphics, design, and more. In this showcase, you will see a user-friendly interface. Our application features its initiative interface designed for ease of use. User can simply upload their image and remove background with just a few clicks. Efficient background removal. Powered by Remove.bg API, our application ensures the quick and accurate background removal, saving user time and effort. Real-time feedback. Users receive real-time feedback on the status of their background removal process, ensuring the seamless experience. Customization option. The application offers customization options such as adjusting image size to meet a specific requirement. Secure and scalable. With the built-in secure measure and scalability, our application prioritizes a user privacy and can handle increase of traffic effortlessly. Join us. We demonstrate the capabilities of background removal web application and showcase it enhanced various visual content creation process. Don't forget to like and share for more exciting project and update. Let's elevate your visual content and effortlessly with our background removal web application. Bye bye.